The Philippines in the 1940s. Life After the War. Part 14. Manila Highway Scene, Post-War. Post-war market. Santos Motorcycle Works, Taft Avenue, Rotunda, 1947. Pasig River Scene, 1945. Avenida, 1945. Far Eastern University, 1946. Rizal Avenue near San Lazaro, post-World War II. Have your picture taken here. Ove has Studio, 1945. Market Scene, late 1945. Street Scene, Rizal Avenue, post-war. Manila Post Office, 1946. Legislative Building under repair, 1948. San Sebastian Church, after the war. Dispensary and Pharmacy Building of the Philippine General Hospital prior to Reconstruction, 1949. UST after Liberation, 1945. La Loma Cemetery, Manila, post-war. Tutuban Station, 1947. Quiapo, post-World War II. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.